Hey guys, welcome back to Delph Stack, and today I will be showing you how to clear TikTok search history. So first thing is you could just simply go ahead and open up the TikTok application into your device. So from here on the TikTok app, you could just simply go ahead and tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, once you are here on your profile, you will just simply select the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And now you will have an option over here, very down below, settings and privacy. So go ahead and tap on it. Now, from here, guys, you should be able to have an option over here, Activity Center. So just simply scroll down and you will have Content and Display. And then go ahead and select Activity Center over here. Now, here on the Activity Center, you will just simply go ahead and go for the search history over here, the fourth one, and tap on it. And right after that, guys, you should be able to see here all of the search that you did. And of course, if you want to clear your history, tap on select at the top right corner of the screen. And from here, just simply tap on select all search history at the very bottom of the screen. And from here, guys, you could just simply go ahead and select delete all down below. And from here, you will have an option that it will delete the search history from the past 180 days, and they will continue to keep your search history data for some time to optimize your experience on TikTok. And if you want to proceed, just simply select delete in order for you to proceed with this process. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.